Exciting news has emerged surrounding the upcoming Hasselblad X2D II. Leaks and recent developments indicate that the next generation of this premium medium format camera is just around the corner. With the official deadline for product secrecy now passed, images and specifications have surfaced thanks to publicly available regulatory documents. The original X2D II, launched in 2022, quickly gained acclaim for its remarkable 100-megapixel sensor, minimalist design, and top-tier image quality. It's been a staple among portrait, landscape, and fine art photographers. But with time, users began to demand more, particularly faster autofocus and video capabilities. Rumors of a successor began circulating after a new FCC registration surfaced late in 2024 under the model code HB722. Given that the FCC requires product documents to remain confidential for 180 days, and that period has ended, we're now seeing a clearer picture of what's next. The upcoming model is expected to retain the 10MP BSIC and MOS sensor, offering rich color depth and extensive dynamic range. While the sensor might remain the same, improvements are anticipated in how the camera handles noise and readout speed, leading to better real-world shooting results. Autofocus is a key area for potential enhancement. The first model had 294 AF points but lacked sophisticated subject tracking. With AI-driven autofocus now becoming the standard in 2025, a revamped focusing system could be one of the most significant upgrades. The original 5-axis image stabilization system was a standout feature, allowing handheld medium-format shooting. It's likely to make a return, possibly with slight tweaks to enhance stability even further, especially in challenging lighting. Performance speed is another critical focus. The earlier version suffered from lag in both the electronic viewfinder and general responsiveness. A new processing engine is expected, which could not only speed things up across the board but also introduce long-awaited video recording features. If Hasselblad adds video, features like 4K at 30p, 10-bit color depth, and a log profile would make it competitive in a hybrid shooting environment. With storage being another strong point of the original thanks to a built-in 1TB SSD, a potential upgrade to 2TB could be on the cards, especially if video support is added. Design-wise, the camera will likely stick to Hasselblad's signature minimalist Scandinavian style, though ergonomic improvements like a deeper grip or a more refined control layout may be introduced. While we await official confirmation, it's clear that Hasselblad is under pressure to deliver a camera that maintains its legendary stills quality while embracing modern demands. If it succeeds, the X2D II might just become the most compelling option in the medium format space. Meanwhile, there's growing excitement about another potential launch, this time from Nikon. Talk is building around a new APS-C mirrorless model, possibly named the Z90. Many believe it could serve as a spiritual successor to the much-loved D500, aiming to offer high performance in a compact format. Rumored to feature a 33MP DX format sensor, the Z90 would directly challenge competitors like the Canon EOS R7. With Nikon having concentrated on full-frame models in recent years, this camera could fill a much-needed gap in its lineup, especially for wildlife and action photographers. Specs being whispered include 4K video at 600 with oversampling, Full HD at 120p or even 1800 for slow motion, and potentially 15 frames per second for burst shooting. Whether this speed includes both mechanical and electronic shutter modes remains to be seen. There's also talk of in-body stabilization rated at 6 stops, giving it a clear edge over the R7 in low-light handheld shooting. The display may be a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, though it's unclear whether it will fully articulate a detail that often distinguishes whether a model leans toward video or stills shooting. For storage, dual card slots, one Express Type-B and one SD are expected, which would provide both speed and flexibility. Some even speculate about the use of a stacked sensor, though Nikon may choose a more traditional design to keep the camera competitively priced. To truly compete, Nikon will need to match or exceed Canon's performance in autofocus and burst speed. Fortunately, the Z8 and Z9 have proven Nikon's ability to deliver fast, intelligent AF systems, so expectations are high. If all these features come together, the Z90 could be a game-changing camera for those who want the advantages of APS-C lightweight build, extended reach, and solid performance without stepping into full-frame territory. Though no launch date is confirmed, field testing is reportedly underway, suggesting a possible debut later in 2025. Stay tuned for further updates on both the Hasselblad X2D II and the Nikon Z90. These next-gen cameras could reshape their respective segments and deliver powerful tools for creators who demand the best.